Yesterday, as we seen some problems of mean and variance, today we will be also seeing the problems about the mean, variance, and also standard equation, standard derivation. So here is the other type of mean problem. Same we are doing the mean and variance, but here it is the class interval type of problem. Just see the question. Calculate variance and standard deviation of the following continuous frequency distribution. So it is the class interval 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, all till 100 is there. And frequency is 3, 7, 12, 15, 8, 3, 2. From example, 30 to 40, 3 frequencies there. 40 to 50, 7 numbers are there. So as it is given, if we are not wrote in the question. So first of all, what is the what you say between these two numbers? What is the gap? There is the 10. So let's assume h is equal to 10. In the same way, what is the mean value, middle value of all these? 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is the mean 60 to 70. In this 60 to 70, what is the middle number? 65. So that is said to be a mean. M, xi, a, anything you say, that is the mean value. So hoping that you have understood. Now let's see this big table. Before seeing the table, just see mean. What is mean? A plus what is it? Sigma, or what you say, summation, or sigma. Fi yi by n into h. In the same way, variance sigma whole square is equal to h square by n square overall into this. In the same way, standard deviation is very much simple, under root of variance. What the value will get for variance, we have to keep under root. Now let's see. Class interval is 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 90 to 100 we have got. Now frequency he gave 3, 7, 12 up to there. In question he gave. Just let's add all this. What the value we got? N is equal to 50. Now midpoint of class interval 30 to 45, 35, 40 to 55, 45. In the same way, 55, 65, 70, 85, 95. What is the mean we have got? 65 we have taken. In the same way, yi, just give it this formula in the mind. Yi is equal to xi. Xi is the number which we are using. Which the number we are using? Minus 65. What is 65? The mean value, middle value which we are taking. By 10. 10 is the class interval. 10. 10 is the difference. So 35 minus 65. 35. Why is here 35? 35 minus 65 by 10. So what is here? Minus 30 by 10. 0, 0 get cancelled is 3. Minus 3. In the same way, here we will get minus 20, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 we have got. This is the yi. Let's create this yi whole square. Why? Because in that formula we will use all these terms. Yi whole square minus into minus plus 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. Just we are squaring them. Okay? Fi yi. What is value of Fi? Frequency. Fi is the frequency. And yi we have got the formula. Just we are multiplying. 3 into 3, 9. Minus means minus 9. So Fi value is 3 into yi value is this, no? Here what we got? Minus 3. 3 3 is 9. Minus into plus minus 9. In the same way, 7 into 2, 14, minus 14, 12 into 1, all this we have got, and just we have did summation or sigma of all that we have got, minus 15 we have got, as your plus and minus values are there. Last but not the least, Fi yi whole square. Fi value is there, this into yi whole square. Yi whole square is this. So this and this we are multiplying. See, Fi value here what? 3. Into yi value what here? 9. 9 3 is 27. In the same way, 7 into 4, 28. 12, 10, all we have got, all we have added, that we have got 105. Now, all the important terms and the values we have got. Now, let's start the answer. Mean formula is another formula is a plus summation xi yi by n into h. A value we know mean is 50, mean value, not this mean value is 65 plus summation of xi fi, addition of all this 15 minus 15 is there, minus 15 by n. What is n? Complete sum of all the terms, n is 50. Minus 50 by 50 into h. H is the class interval, 10 difference is there, 10. Just after doing 65 plus just this get cancelled, 5 1s are 5 3s are 65 minus 3 is 62 we have got. Variance, this is a somewhat light big formula. Variance sigma, this is also said to be a sigma. Sigma whole square is equal to h by n whole square or h square by n whole square into n summation of xi by I whole square minus all what these values we have got, the summation of xi by I whole square that we have to do minus. See, 100, what is h? 100, 10 it is, 10 into 10 is 100 by n value 50, 50 into 50, 200, 2500, n value is 50, summation of all these, see, summation of all these, fi by I is 15, fi by I whole square is 105, 105 fi by I minus 15 whole square, this value is minus 15 whole square. So what we can cut, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 1 by 25 into 50 into 105, 5250, just you do, and 15 into 15 is 225, minus into minus it become plus, plus into minus again it will be minus. So 5250 into 225 will get 5025, and after cutting with 5 table, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 0s are 0s are 5s are, again if you cut 5 2s are 0s are 1s are 201 value will get here. Now last standard deviation is nothing but what the value we have got variance that we have to keep under root. This is only the basic formula. Standard deviation is under root of variance. Root 201, just you do with any double it go, or nearly with which it becomes double, just you see 14.18 will be the answer. Hoping that you have understood. Yesterday what I gave you mean problem, just you even see that, and also the mean, variance and standard deviation problems of this class interval, just you see, you will get some what the changes are there in between these two problems, you will understand. Yes friends, here I am giving a small homework problem for you. The question is the same, just have changed the value. Class interval is from 10 to 23, 20 to 34, 30 to 47, 40 to 53 and 50 to 66. So here also same you have to get mean, variance and standard deviation.